Well, good morning. This is Saturday morning. I've been wanting to do this for quite some time, wanting to put on the ceramic coating. So we have David here this morning to make that happen. So we'll see. This is before, and we'll also have the after, and we'll show how David does that. So we're excited. So follow us and see what happens. Thanks.
So today we're going to be putting a ceramic coating on Jeff's M5 here. So the ceramic coating, it's one of the more revolutionary things in detailing. It's going to offer superior chemical resistance compared to a traditional wax or sealant. A traditional wax will, after a few weeks just wash off. It's not very durable, but the ceramic coating is going to actually form a bond with the paint, and it's going to become the new functional surface of the car. That's going to offer a ton of chemical resistance. It's going to be hydrophobic, and it's going to give it tons of gloss and just protect it for years to come. All right, so just in preparing the car for the ceramic coating, what we have to do is we have to completely prep the surface. Because if we want that ceramic coating to get that perfect bond with the paint, there can't be anything in between the ceramic coating and the paint. So that includes like any loose dirt on the car, any type of chemicals, oils, fallout from the road, from the rain, just from the environment overall. There's a lot of things that are actually stuck in the paint that you don't really see with your eye that you have to get out. So after I wash the car, I'm gonna do what's called an iron decontamination, where we get all the iron out of the car. We're gonna get a lot of like the bug guts off, all the oils from like the sides of the car and underneath the car. And then after that, we can get into polishing the paint. It's gonna give us a really nice glossy surface. It's gonna remove that very top layer of paint. It's gonna smooth it down, and it's give us a nice fresh base for the ceramic coating.
So here we are back again after 10 hours. David has done a great job on this car. So I don't know a lot about it and what he does or what has been done to it, but it looks great. I'm really happy with what he's done. So to get technical, I'm gonna have David go through what he's done. So, alrighty, thank you.
All right, so we're all done with the coating on the car now. You can see the results compared to before that. It's incredible. The car just looks like it's covered in glass now. So one other thing about the coating that I put on. So the coating is from System X. The reason why I went with this brand and I'm accredited with them is that their ceramic coatings are not only warranted worldwide, but they go on your Carfax. So Carfax recognizes your ceramic coating as an event and goes on there as a report. So if you're ever in an accident or you have to get a body panel repainted because somebody hit you, your insurance will see that you have the ceramic coating on there and they'll be able to compensate you for that. So you can also pay to have the coating reapplied. All right, and so since this was my first video that I've done of the whole ceramic coating process, I wanted to let you guys know that if you've seen this through Yufu's Facebook page or his YouTube channel, just to mention that if you guys reach out and you want a quote or if you want to schedule a ceramic coating yourself on one of your cars, just mention that you saw it on one of his pages and then I'll give you guys a 10% discount on that coating. So thank you so much.